So we started this pond build at the end of last season. The one with the glass in it. And now we're back out because the weather is perfect for finishing it up. Came out here yesterday and realized the access was awesome. So I grabbed my son's sled and I think we'll be in business today. So this is what we're dealing with. Pontz sits over there. And so we gotta carry or sled everything over here. But I've got the strongest guy with me, so we should be in good shape. Came back and did this glass, I think in January maybe, on a warmer day. So, see how she fares. Okay, so plan is to suck this guy out and try and get this ice and stuff out of here. Then we are going to rock up there, make that filled in on either side, and rinse down a little bit more, hook things up, hopefully have her rolling today. We'll check back. Oh, almost fell, Bobby. Almost down. And there you have it. Trying to melt a little bit of this ice before we pump this out. Some more rock staged here. We got a few more to bring back. Probably have to get a few more to get that side up and get that across. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, blue tape's coming off soon. Got this rocked in here. Pretty much rinse down, run the pump one more time, and then we'll get this going, get some of this dirt out of here. We've got our plants in around here. We got the biggest of cheeses out here helping us today. You know it's an important pond, yeah. Exactly what he said. We'll be back. Okay. Got the hoses running. We're running to get a couple more things to touch up around the edges, and then we'll be back to see how this turns out. All right, back on the world's coolest pond build. And we got her filling up here. Jose is hooking up the autofill, which we're actually not going to be running this early in the season, but he's getting it hooked up. And I've mentioned before, this is like the craziest smooth field on property. But it's insane. So he's sitting right here, entertaining. Look right over here. Fish will be swimming by. First fish cave, the lower fish cave is getting filled up, or tunnel if you will. There's a fish cave back there, kind of more of a swim through there. And then a larger step out here so they can walk out, but then fish can swim underneath it. We thought that'd be kind of cool. So yeah, should be good. It's a little more nerve-wracking than a regular pond fill. The water glistening up off that, or in the house like that. that reflection with the sun. Brian Helfrich always says that's a good thing to have, so that should make everybody happy. If you look at it from here, it's almost a cooler view. This guy. A little bit longer here, we'll get to fire this guy up, get everything tweaked. All right, so everything's good. Jose's happy. We need a better reveal shot than that, Bobby, but we definitely needed, I needed Jose on there. Pond with a viewing window. Stepping stones of water the whole way around.
Like me? If you do, please say